Hey guys, guess what I got? Got an e-bike. Johnny Nerd Out. That's me. E-bike, that's this. If you're seeing this, it means the war is over and we won. We were victorious. So congratulations. Moving on to the subject at hand is this e-bike. Let's get into it. Let's go over what it is, what I put on it, what I did to it, what makes this thing freaking sweet. I'm Johnny Nerd Out. I'm a professional e-bike builder, mechanic, professional guy, and I like converting bikes into e-bikes. So if you like stuff like that, check out my other videos. Let's get right into it. So this is a Trek 8.5 DS. DS, I'm assuming means dual sport. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing. It's got a front suspension fork, but it's got road tires on it, kind of like cyclocross tires. So this would be a great cyclocross bike, actually. I'm sure that's what it is. It's got a remote lockout fork, which is really nice if you want to switch from off-road to on-road. Hydraulic disc brakes, so this thing stops on a dime. I love having hydraulic disc brakes on an e-bike because it just gives you that confidence that you're gonna stop when you need to. It's got 700C tires. They're kind of aggressive though, so they're kind of nice. They give you a little confidence to go off-road if you want. If you see a little cool trail off in the corner of your eye, you don't have to be afraid to go explore it. It's kind of nice. Be like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna take the long way home today. So yeah, this is a great foundation to build an e-bike on. For mechanics, we went with the BBS02 motor, 750 watt motor. I went with a 52 volt, 17.5 amp hour battery. This is a sweet battery. 52 volts gives it a lot of power, over 900 watt hours of capacity. So this bike is gonna get a crazy amount of range. It's probably gonna get, if you're pedaling with it decently, 60 miles is nothing for this. If you're pedaling with it, if you're really miserly on it, 100-mile range, I bet. If you're just riding it like a motorcycle or scooter, you're probably gonna get more like 30 to 40-mile range. For the display, we went with the 500C. Really like this display. It's really my favorite display, I'd say. It's affordable. It gives you everything you need. It's a nice color display. It shows everything in a nice, clear, easy to read format. It's a great display. We had to put on hydraulic disc brake cutoffs on this one. And since it's a mid-drive, we went with a gear shift sensor. Put a gear shift sensor on it, guys. Let's go take this for a Johnny Nerd Out test. All right, hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you liked it, you should like it, like physically like it. Click the like button, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these. If you think I suck, let me know. Tell me I suck, I don't care. It's cold out here and it's affecting the way my brain thinks. If you like this video, check out my other videos. If you need equipment, if you need motors, batteries, accessories, anything like that, you need help, support, check out my website, johnnynerdout.com. Ask me questions through there. Happy to help out. E-bikes are the future.